I hope all of you are fine and you are taking good care of yourself. Today we are going to start new topic, decimals. What is decimal? A decimal number is defined as a number whose whole part and fractional part are separated by point. Means whenever you write a number, then whenever you will see a point in between the digits, that point will be decimal. The digits following the decimal point show a value smaller than 1. Means what are decimal? Decimals are actually we are representing decimals as fractional part. Suppose you have a test and you got 5.5 marks out of 6. So 5.5 means you got 5.5 marks out of 6. But how will you represent it? Suppose I am taking example 2.5. 2.5 means 2 plus half. I have written half as 0.5. So it would be 2.5. Here point represent decimal and the number written before that represent whole part, and the number which is number or digit which is written after decimal represent decimal part. Now how will you write this half as 0.5? How can you write it directly? So there are some rules. How will you convert a fraction into decimal? For that, I always need in denominator 10, 100 or 1000 to put point or decimal in between the number. So my aim is to convert denominator into 10, 100 or 1000. Suppose I am taking example, first example is 2/5. I want to give answer in decimal. So as I told you, I need 10, 100 or 1000 in denominator. So which one is easy? I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2, because whenever I will multiply 5 with 2, I will get 10. 5 twos is 10 and I need 10 in that case. In denominator I need 10. So it would be 4 by 10, and we know 2 by 5 would be equal to 4 by 10 because both are equivalent fraction. You have done in equivalent fraction that you can multiply numerator and denominator by same number. So here I have multiplied numerator and denominator by same number, that is 2. So it would be 4 by 10. Now it is very easy to put the point. 4 by 10, that would be 0.4. And how it will come? 4 by 10. How many zeros are in denominator? In 10, there is only 1 0. 1 0 means I need only one decimal part. And for that, count from back. I need only one digit. Count only one digit from back and put point. So it would be 0.4 or you can write 0.4. Both are same thing. I am taking another example, 3 by 4. Another fraction is 3/4. Now I need again 10, 100 or 1000 in denominator. My target is this. So can you convert this 4 into 10? No, because I know 10 is not a multiple of 4. Because if you will multiply these numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 3 twos are 6 and 4 twos are 8. That would be 6 by 8. But we need 10, 100 or 1000 in denominator. So 10 is not possible in the denominator. So I will convert this 4 into 100. When you will multiply 4 with 25, then you will get 100. But you cannot multiply only denominator. Equivalent fraction says you have to multiply numerator and denominator both by the same number. So I am multiplying both numerator and denominator by 25. You will get 75 by 100 because 25 threes is 75, 25 fours is 100. Now again put the decimal. I have how many zeros in the denominator? 2 zeros in the denominator, means I have 2 decimal places. But how to put? So count 2 places from back. 1, 2 and then put point. So it would be 0.75. Next example is 3/8. If you will try to multiply numerator and denominator by 2, you will not get 10 or 100 in the denominator. Same in the case with 25. So in this case, I will multiply numerator and denominator with 125 because only in that case you will get 1000 in denominator. So when you will multiply 125 with 3, you will get 375 and 125 eights is 1000. Now you have 1000 in the denominator. Can you put decimal here? How many zeros are in the denominator? 3 zeros, means I need 3 decimal places. So count from back 1, 2, 3 and put point. So that would be 0.375. You can put 0 as whole part, no issue. 0.375 or 0.375 both are same. My next example is 3 and 1/5. 3 and 1/5 means 3 plus 1/5. You can think about like this. Or there is one more method to do this. First, you can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction because you know 5 threes are 15 plus 1, that would be 16 by 5. And in the case of denominator 5, you know how to convert denominator into 10. So that would be 16 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 2 because whenever you have 5 in the denominator, you have to multiply with 2. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2 to make equivalent fraction. 16 by 5 would be equal to 32 by 10 and that would be equal to 3.2 because I have only 1 0 in the denominator. So I need 1 decimal place. Count 1 place from back and put point. So that would be 3.2.